Hey, how you doing? Welcome to another episode of How the Freak Am I Gonna Do That? I'm Chaz, and I'm gonna show you how to pull your fridge out and clean the little vent in the back. Because look over here. I noticed that on my fridge, we started having a little buildup of some dust. And I'm like, well, if the dust is building up there, then the back side, the vent that kind of circulates air and makes the motor cool off so it doesn't blow up, it's probably full of dust. So let's pull this out and take a look. So just grab your doors and just start yanking. So pull the fridge out far enough so you can get back in here. And you want to look down here. This is just a piece of cardboard to keep the vents probably from getting ruined in the guts of the fridge or the engine part, the motor, whatever you want to call it. But look at that. So we need to get this off. A few tools you're going to need. Oh, we also need to sweep the floor. Few tools you're going to need. Toothbrush or a brush. Screwdriver to get those off. And I'm pretty sure it's this nut driver, because I usually do this once a year, but I think it's been longer than that. You should probably do it every 6 months. So I'm going to get in here and film taking this off and then what's underneath. Before I do anything else, I'm going to unplug the fridge so that we don't sizzle ourselves, turn ourselves into a flank steak. All right, this is the water line. So make sure you don't rip this out of your fridge or you won't have ice, so that you can make yourself fat cocktails and sedate yourself from reality. I'm also going to use this crazy vacuum. You pull out the handle, put on this bristle attachment, and I'm going to get in here and get all this dust. Next step, get these off of here. You can use a regular screwdriver on mine, or I have a nut driver. So I'm gonna just unscrew that. Unscrew that. And then pull this back. Boom! Look at that. This engine or motor is struggling to keep the refrigerator cool because those are clogged. So we're gonna clean those out. It's gonna take a minute, and then you're gonna do it again in another 6 months. Depending on the layout of your guts of your refrigerator, you might be able to fit a brush in here. Just gently do that. You don't want to collapse these air vents or these fins. Start by doing that. It's kind of making a mess. You can get the tighter spots with a toothbrush. But I'm going to start off with the vacuum. And whatever I can't get with the vacuum, I'm going to finish up with this toothbrush. All right, I got most of it. I think I'm gonna leave it there. I took enough fur off of this thing to make a ski sweater. So I think we're in good shape until the next time I do it. But if you haven't done this at all, ever, you need to get under here today, tomorrow, and get her done. Otherwise, your fridge is gonna burn up. And then you're gonna have to find yourself at Costco or Lowe's or wherever the hell you buy appliances and shelling out a buku bucks to buy yourself another refrigerator. Take action. You're just gonna put this guard back on. I don't know what kind of guard your refrigerator has, but if it's cheap cardboard like this, it's pretty simple. You just put it back up. I got a few more screws to do, and then we'll push the refrigerator back in place. Actually, you want to plug it in first and then push it back into place. All right, another successful projects with Chaz. Showed you how to get all the fuzz and fur and dust and gibberish off of your air vents of your fridge, so maybe they'll last a little longer so you don't have to go buy a new one, and support the Chinese trades, because they're all coming over from who knows where. So keep it running a little longer. I'm going to celebrate that I didn't blow up, electrocute myself, or die by drinking some coffee, because it's early morning on a Sunday. Normally I'd crack a beer, but I'm going to get all jacked up with some coffee today. Go Wings, go Lions, go clean your fridge. Thanks.